Electrified. Recharge your Mini with various charging cables. The one for your domestic sockets fits into your boot. AC charging stations require a special cable. You also find it in the trunk of your Mini or at the AC charging station itself. Adjust the charging current for domestic sockets in your Mini. Make sure that the permitted charging current is established by an electrician. To change the charging current, select My Mini, Plan Charging/Climate Control, Settings Charging Current, and change your settings. Find the exact charging currents in your manual. Power up! Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.